Hello viewers, this is Mal from aonestu. In this video, I'll show you how I create a custom logo for a text and bookkeeping service provided company. So without wasting your time, let's get started.
So dear viewers, here you can see the brand name is JetStream, and then they provides bookkeeping and text preparing service. My client shared a link of some logo ideas they really like. Now let me show you the ideas. Here you can see they like simple, clean, elegant, modern and minimalist brand mark icon with the brand name. They don't like Jay-Z complex type of logos. They don't like generic logos. I asked him a question about what kind of combination you wanna see. Then he said, we are looking for a perfect combination of initial letter Z and S. You can add a document sample because maximum time we work with a lot of documents. And of course, if you reflect reverse stream or financial cycle in a creative way, that will be perfect. After creating few sketches, I get an amazing idea. Reflect all the attributes of JetStream brand. Here you can see a perfect combination of Jet letter and S letter. If you take a close look, you'll find a document sample that I added in a creative way, and this down and upper arrows is perfectly reflect the financial cycle. After sharing this concept with my client, he said it's a mind-blowing idea. Please finalize it. Now let's turn this idea into reality for JetStream brand. So viewers, hope you understand how I complete my client projects. If you are looking for talented designer for your graphic design project, don't forget to contact me. I believe in premium quality result, friendly service and long-term support. At the end of work, I'll try to get a satisfied smile on your face. Thanks for watching.